What are you doing, Bill?
Cleaning the steering wheel.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, this looks like makeup and also finger stuff. So it's gonna take a few more tries, but it's coming up.
Okay. Now that we are booked until February 1st.
Thank you.
It's pretty sweet, right?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So what we're doing today and until the end of the year, when it's January 1st, 2020, it's over, we are doing all of our details. Everything's gonna be half off. All you need to do is just click the link that's in this post. It'll take you to our website, purchase your detail, and set up your appointment. Now, like I said, we are booked until February 1st. So remember, your appointment, if you buy it today, your appointment will be February 1st once you book your appointment. And you can book your appointment online as well. Let's get back into it. All right, old-fashioned detailing.
Detailers?
All right, old-fashioned detailers. So today we have a detailed challenge. We have dog hair, dirt, chips, and we're gonna get at it. So let's check it. And let's see how it looks after we're done. Oh, look how it looks. Old-fashioned detailing. Here goes our second detail challenge of the day. We have these mats, dog hair, got a little candy on that. And we're about to knock this out. Let's get it. All right, so we got this mat right here. Has some dog hair on it, if you can see. And first, I use my gloves. And just pulling up all the dog hair with my gloves. And as you can see, I'm starting to make this little pattern. There we go. You see we got this little bit of hair. Keep on going. Old-fashioned detailing. Alright. Detail challenge accepted and completed. At Old Fashioned Detailing, we believe it's important to get your car washed regularly and detailed every 2 to 3 months to help preserve the finish of your vehicle. Old Fashioned Detailing, new fashion look for your car. oldfashionedetailing.wordpress.com